take our seat off. It's a 10mm bolt. I had it right the first time. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Should be able to just sling this off. And the seat should come up and we'll throw the bags over them. Oh, it's got a second bolt. God damn it, that's a fucking 12. Give me the 12. Ah, fucking fuck. Give me the big boy 12. Give me the big boy 12, because the big boy 12 is not going to need an adapter. That's the cool thing about Japanese bikes. If it's not a 10, it's a 12. Or Asian bikes. When you're working on Harley Davidsons.
You got it right the first time. It's Japanese.
Oh, fucking goddamn it. Japanese.
We don't buy Chinese.
We don't buy Chinese bikes. Remember, if it's... Hold up, I'm not gonna say that.
Hey, how'd you get to your battery? Did you take your seat off?
No, my battery is right behind the TU250X logo. I had to find that out the dumb way. I had to take my seat off to find out that my battery was underneath the TU250X logo. Okay, there we go. Those are the bolts that hold my seat on. Those are gonna be 10.
Ah! Of course. I mean... at least I don't got the Harley Davidson special.
Yeah, where everything is different.
Where half them are metric and half them are...
standard.
Yeah.
Yeah. Come on. Just do the other one. I can hand crank this one.
I'm trying to look.
Don't try to hand me. Yeah, I'm trying to hand. I just start using my hands.
Yeah, I thought you were grabbing for the.
No, I wasn't grabbing. I wasn't. No, as soon as I get a little, as soon as it's that loose, I just.
See.
My hands
That's
can
what
get it
I do.
off.
As soon as I can move it.
Yes. As soon as you can move it, I usually use my hands.
Huh.
Wow, that's ugly.
Ooh.
That is ugly. Let's clean that up real quick. All right. So now we just need to put the thread. How do you even fucking lace that shit? Alright. The name of this video is Xander does everything while Nick watches. This is the chain.
By the way, we're gonna zip tie this shit too.
Oh, good. Good.
There's a caution, we'll keep it off the tire.
Yeah. I don't know, that looks genuine.
Yeah.
Yeah, that'll look nice. That'll look nice.
Oh, yeah, leather, all that leather. Yeah, look at all that.
Oh, yeah, look at that leather.